my name's Hannah and I'm a second year studying music here. I'm currently living in Sainsbury, which is a grade 3, so it's kind of middle ground, and it's, to be honest, it's my favourite place that I've lived in Worcester. So I'm just going to be giving you a little tour and I hope you enjoy. So here is basically the entrance to the room. I've got a big pin board with which I've decorated very nicely with my masks. I'm a music student and all music students get keyboards at Worcester, so here is my keyboard. A chair, kind of chest of drawers. I really like this storage space here because you've got a lot, so I've got like laundry and cleaning supplies in here. The kind of bog standard bed, and your shelf, which is good for putting books. Wardrobe, quite narrow but very spacious. Desk, that's very wide desk, so you can get a lot of stuff on it. Mini fridges. Currently all rooms have mini fridges, so they're really good because our fridge isn't that small, isn't that big rather. Kind of a big window ledge. I really love this because you can watch people playing frisbee, playing cricket out here. So it's a good view, nice view of the Sultan Naz Shah over there. And I have a sink in here. So, you know, just kind of a shelf and some soap and stuff. And I will show you the kitchen now. So it's currently very bright and airy in Sainsbury, which is nice. We get a lot of natural daylight and wood. And it's worth mentioning that I'm in a 5-person household with 2 bathrooms between us. So you've got kind of your shower, we have bathtubs, your sink, your radiator. Now this is our kitchen. It's quite small as kitchens go, and quite a small fridge, but we all have mini fridges in our room. Kind of your microwave, cupboard space, up and down here, your hob, your oven, big pin board over there, some nice overhead space. And my favourite part is the kitchen balcony. So we have a little kind of table thing and we can see right over to the swans, whose eggs should be hatching any minute now, any day now. That's our tour of Sainsbury. I hope you enjoyed and I hope it was helpful. Bye!
Hi, I'm Sean. I'm a second year computer scientist. I'm in Castle Building, staircase 18, and this room is a grade 6. So it has an ensuite and a kitchen. So this is my room. Things about this one: single bed. We have the same usual wardrobe, desk, chest of drawers, and like a couple of chairs that are in pretty much every college room. There's quite a lot of floor space in my room, which is different to some others in college, are a bit smaller. And then bathroom is there's a lot of counter space, and we've got a built-in shower, not a wet room, and towel rail. So this is our kitchen. It's shared between 6 people. We've got a fridge and a freezer, and the second freezer over there. Microwave, kettle and toaster. Then we've got an oven, top and bottom oven. There's a grill in the top, and then 4 hot rings.
Hi, I'm Maddie. I'm a second year maths student here at Worcester, and today I'm going to be giving you a tour of Nash. The Nash building is a grade 6 room, and it has the bedroom, an ensuite, and then it also has kitchen access. So yeah, I'm going to be giving you a little tour of Nash, what it looks like. So I hope this is helpful. Let's get going. So this is an overview of what the room looks like. So yeah, first of all, we've got the bed. It's a single bed. We've got some storage here, which is really handy for my books. And then you get a chair included as well. This is the view from my bedroom, so it comes out onto Sainsbury and staircase 24. And then if we come this way, you can see the desk area. So it's a really lovely, nice and big desk. You've got some more storage here. This is a mini fridge. This is a notice board, and then some shelves up here. And then over here we have the wardrobe, which is super, super big. It's lots of storage, which is really great for me because I take a lot of things with me to uni. And then, yeah, you've got a few hooks on here. And then this is the ensuite. So we've got a shower because it is a wet room. So that's where you've got the curtain here. You can see me in the mirror. And then you've got a sink and, you know, a toilet. It's nice. It's obviously like quite simple, very basic, but it's all you need really. And then I shall take you into the kitchen. So yeah, so there's more rooms of Nash that go down this corridor. This kitchen is a kitchen for 4 people. It can vary depending on what building you're in and what the kitchens are. But we have a fridge freezer, we have an oven, a hob, a microwave, there's a sink. We've got a lovely view of the sports field over here, and also of the lake. And then if you come over here, we have a dishwasher, which is the saving grace of not having to do as much dishes. And then we get a lovely view of the orchard over here, overlooking the main terrace. And then yeah, you've got nice big kitchen table here, lots of space to like sort of move around in so no one gets too crowded. And yeah, it's just a lovely kitchen. And that concludes the tour of Nash Building. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope that it was helpful in showing what accommodation at Worcester can look like. Thanks.